Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 3, exploring credible primary, secondary, and tertiary data sources about student success rates in the United States, 120 points, 1,000 words. All right, let's scroll down and survey this assignment. We can see that we have a video about this assignment, and this is a video that you're currently watching and listening to. Below the video, we have 5 links. I will be clicking on the discussion 3, part 1 and part 2 due dates, but I will not be clicking on these other links. You will need to click on them and read the information they contain. Scrolling down, we see that this assignment has a part 1 and it also has a part 2. I'm going to go ahead and read the part 1 directions with you, and then I will make you aware of the assignment due dates. Okay, so A, follow the directions in numbers 1 through 14 here in this link very carefully. Let's click on this link, make sure it's active, and yes, it comes up, 1 through 14. Okay, I'm going to use a back arrow to get back into the discussion assignment directions. Okay, so we read follow the directions in numbers 1 through 14 here very carefully, and we check the link, it works. After you click on the link and read the directions in a minimum of 750 words, 3 pages, share your thoughts, feelings, and ideas about what you have learned, quoting data from at least 2 sources in 1 through 13, and from number 14, the article you found in a library database. What kind of writing should you complete? Write an informal essay, like a journal, sharing your thoughts, feelings, and ideas. Do not write the 5-paragraph essay. Use a variety of paragraphs of the kind described in the Chapter 1 essay, and you have a link to that essay, and Chapter 3 essays in our textbook, This Little Book, about how to write a college-level essay. Please run a spell grammar check and do not make these easily avoidable errors in your posting. And I'm going to click on this link and we can see the easily avoidable errors, a list of them. I'm going to click on the back arrow, taking us back into the assignment directions. And I'm going to read part 2. B, after you post your 750-word writing, respond in a minimum of 125 words, half a page, to 2 of your peers' postings for a total of 250 words or 1 page. How should you respond? Compare your peers' thoughts, feelings, and ideas about the data to your own, and share ideas about which credible data sources you think everybody should include in the research paper. Data that demonstrates that U.S. student success rates are low and data that may help to explain why they are low. Okay, so we have a link here with the word credible. It means authoritative, trustworthy, expert sources. Okay, so I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to click on the discussion 3, part 1 and part 2 due dates. Okay, so here is our timeline. Submit part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Friday and submit part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. Now, a word about discussion 3. You need to begin working on it immediately. Please do not wait until the end of the week. This assignment is very involved. You are in an 8-week accelerated course and you will need several hours to complete this assignment. If you think that you cannot complete this assignment, then go ahead and click on inbox right over here and send me a message and let me know what's causing you not to be able to complete the assignment on time, and I'll do my best to work with you. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, taking us back into our assignment. Scrolling to the top, we're in discussion 3, and I'm going to tell you that I'm here in inbox. I care deeply about your learning. If you have any questions or concerns, anything is not clear to you, email me. You're never bothering me. You're never emailing me too much when you ask me to clarify an assignment. Okay, so let's get going on discussion 3. Please keep in mind you need to begin working on this discussion immediately. Okay, let's get going. Discussion 3, exploring credible primary, secondary, and tertiary data sources about student success rates in the U.S.